Morning everybody, Tracey here from Uniquely Creative. Today we're going to learn how to make this watercolour background, which I've done for my layout with our new Steppencolor Mini. It's a mini kit, and I have just gessoed my page first with the Liquitex clear gesso, so the page has been gessoed so it sits flat. And now I'm just going to get my Uniquely Creative paints and I'm going to activate them. They're still pretty wet from last night. I was playing, to be honest. Just going to get them all wet. And I'm just going to start painting. I want quite a bit of water for my background, and I think I'm going to start here. So I'm just adding bucket loads of water and paint, just dabbing it on. Okay, so I'm now in my laundry and I'm actually just going to iron the back of this to try to make it a little bit more flat. So I'm just going to flip her over and iron away. So now I'm just adding some gold foiling on, and I'm going to try to zoom in so you can see exactly what I'm doing a little bit closer. So I'll put another little bit, I think, just over here. So this is just a regular old glue stick, and I am just adding the glue and then ever so lightly tapping the foil on with my fingers. And then I've just got a dry brush here and I'm just taking off the excess in like a stabby motion with this dry brush. A couple more spots and then I think we're done with this little technique. I am just following the waterline in a few spots here. Okay, I'm going to assemble my layout. So the first thing I've done is I've taken my little photo and I have just mounted it on some cardboard because there's not enough foam tape in the world for me to do this. And I'm just going to kind of lay out the first couple of pieces. So these are my flowers that I've painted, and I'm just going to try to work out where I want all of this to go. Thank you for watching me create my layout with our Endless Potential new mini kit. You can purchase this over on our website www.uniquelycreative.com.au, and the dies I've used are all our dies too, so go check them out while you're here. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.